Hello folks, you're on the Desert Adventures YouTube channel. I forgot to reinstall my air filter while I was cleaning it when my dog went missing. I ran my bike for about 5 minutes without an air filter, and this is what happened. I reinstalled the air filter, checked for dirt inside the car, which I didn't see any, and also changed the oil. Went on a ride, but then noticed the bike was just low on power and sounded like garbage. And as I was on my way home, it just seemed to get lower on power and kept sounding worse and worse, especially on this heavy hill climb. And once I got home, I got to see the true extent of the damage. But while I was climbing this hill, I could just tell that the bike just wasn't quite pulling right and had a weird, knocky sound to it. And also kind of started having this. And after I got home, I yanked that engine apart, like I said, and here's some pictures of the damage. As you can see, there's a scored up piston there with some nice sand marks on both sides of her. Nice and worn down. There's a good shot of the intake manifold here with some specks of sand in there that haven't been sucked in yet to damage. And here's the cylinder after honing it to show the score marks. Keep those air filters clean and keep them installed after you clean them. And don't forget to go check out ApogeePerformanceRacing.com, makers of the best chain lube in the market.